Okay, so we're gonna make ourselves a little soundtrack. Command spacebar, start typing in GarageBand, there it is, hit enter. Now I already have one going. Command N will open up a brand new one for me. Just go to empty project. I'm not connecting any sort of instrument to it, so I'm just gonna go with this. Now over here we have loops. Loops are incredible. Over here, select this. Let's go with moods. Want something cheerful. Okay, and we just give a listen. And if I don't like that, I can go. In fact, I've actually used this one myself. I drag it over here. Now I can grab the top and string it out a little longer, but actually I want to use that just as my introduction. Now we're going to have a bunch of different layers here. After hours beat. Keep trying and see what you like. All right, why not? Grab that, start that here, drag that one out, and I like to add things in different timings and layers here. Can I try out different instruments here as well? All drums, cheerful, okay. Give that one a shot, shall we? Start that up here. Start off on the same. Now, just mix it up a little bit. Now let's go back to the start and see what that sounds like. Just hit the space bar. Now that's just something we can do. We save this as an MP3 file, and then we can just drag it into our iMovie projects or Final Cut Pro, whatever you may have. And then you can just keep looping it as you need to. Sometimes I even use a couple of different ones depending on how long my video is. We do that by going to Share and then Export Song to Disk. I generally choose MP3. Call this one a new background. Save that in my music. Command Tab over to my Finder, go to my music. New background is here for use in anything. I often use that because when you first start talking, there might be a little bit of fluff at the beginning, and when that's actually in iMovie, you can just cut that part off and then just keep copying and pasting the rest of it till you get to the end. That's it. Good luck.